Hi guys, so engineer Jabar here today speaking to you in person. So the last time, that is in my previous video, I showed you the top 5 or the 5 simulation apps that you can use for your electrical engineering project, and then I showed you which one was my favorite. But today I'm coming to show you how to create your first project using the Proteus 8 designer. For your info, I've updated my content on the last video, that is the description. I've added a site where you can get the Proteus 8 designer, so go watch that video, look into the description, go to the site, download Proteus 8, and then boom, you are good to go. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. So I'm gonna open the Proteus 8 designer, and then we are about to create our first project. Don't worry, if you are new to Proteus 8, you might get a higher version than mine. Mine is 8.13. You might get a higher version. For example, if you look at the news over here, there are actual updates. I've not gotten time to download the updates, so we have Proteus 8.16 that was released on the 10th of March this year. Okay, so let's go ahead and create our first project. So to create your first project, you have to come to new project, right? My machine is actually a little bit slow, so it will take some time. Okay, it has come. So we create a new project. We have the project name, which is new project.pdsprj. PDSPRJ meaning Proteus Design Suite Project, right? That is the extension when you are creating a Proteus Design Suite project. For example, in a programming language like C, whenever you create a project, it has the extension .c. We have other extensions like the icons that we have, right? Every icon is actually an image, but it has the extension .ico, which means icon. So in this case, if you want to change the name of your project, don't worry, you can clear everything and then change the name, or you can clear everything before the extension, before the dot extension. Then for this case, let's say I will name it. You can name it, give it any name of your choice. So let's say my name is Set. So let's say Set first project. And then click on enter to send you to this page. Click on next, click on next, click on next, and click on finish. And we have opened our workspace. Okay, so if you're an electrical engineer or any other engineer, you know that the electricity that we get is actually gotten from somewhere, which means that it's being generated using a dam, renewable sources, wind farms, whatever. But the important thing that you must know is that apart from solar panel and apart from other sources of energy, most of the sources of electricity use electrical generators. Usually we deal with 3-phase systems. Okay, so today for our first project, we are come to create a simple system that will generate electricity from a generator, transport it or step it up using a transformer, and then later step it down using another transformer, and then to go to our load, and our load will be the water motor. So which means that for this project we need one gen. So let's begin. So you come here to this page, you select P, right? P means your devices or pick devices, as you can see over here. So pick devices. So we search for our our generator. Remember, you see a lot of options, but the one that we are looking for is 3-phase. So V3 phase, 3-phase mainline generator. So you just click on it, and then, or you can double click. When you double click, it will add it automatically here. You can search for another device. Let's see our transformer. Sorry, spelling mistake. Transformer. So transformer, we are looking for a 3-phase transformer, and then double click on it to be added, and you are looking for a motor, and then we are looking for an AC motor, a motor which can actually use AC. So you have to take out induction motor. Okay, so we can click on OK, and then we start our connection. So for the transformer, 3-phase transformer connections, we have two main types of connection. We have star and what? Delta, right? So for our transformer connections, if you don't know about this, don't worry, I will explain it in later videos. So I'm coming to do a delta connection, delta star connection, right? Delta star connection. Okay, so let's continue. So in order to bring a component to your worksheet, just have to click on that component. So click on our generator, you come to your worksheet and then click on it. Your component will appear. You can use your scroll wheel or your touchpad to actually zoom out or increase the size of your worksheet so to suit you. So I'm coming to zoom out. So like this, you can use this pad over here to control it, and then you'll be okay, so that you can see clearly what you are doing. Okay, and then we can select our transformer without wasting much time. Because today is our first project, let me use only one transformer, and then we can use our motor here. Can actually click on it and then move it sideways small. Okay, so somebody will ask, you have 3 lines coming from the generator, you have 3 lines coming from the coming to the motor. How are we have 12 lines on the transformer, but we should have had 3 on each side. How are we going to transform our power, or how are you going to do this connection? So as I told you, we have two main types of transformer connections. You come to do one here, we have star and we have what? Delta. So I'm doing the star connection now for the one side. I will do the delta connection on the other side here. So let's proceed to do the connection. So double tap to show the conductors. So you connect like that. Take this one, take it to this point, connect, and connect. So you are done. So the next thing that we have to do is to click on, that is the play button here, which is actually run, right, or simulate, or start simulation. So let's click on it to see whether everything is working as expected. Okay, so everything is working as what expected. Don't worry about the details now, right? What matters is that we have been able to generate, we have been able to transform our power, and we have been able to supply our load, which is the motor. That is okay for now. Those who are interested in Arduino, the next time we meet, or in one of my videos, I will show you how to add Arduino libraries to Proteus 8 Designer Suite. So from time to time, we're using the Proteus 8 Designer Suite to do interesting projects, right? So thank you very much. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Bye bye.